Hey, if you are a freelancer or service provider or digital marketing agency owner, or if you have purchased any products with commercial white label or agency rights, then you will want to pay very close attention to what you're about to see. Because in this short video today, you will discover a new revolutionary technology that will help you to get more clients, get more customers to any service that you offer, crack those high-profit projects more easily, build your authority as the go-to service provider in your space, get highly paid for the services that you offer, get more recurring customers, make clients trust you, dominate the bigger companies, and get more sales and increase your profits online within minutes. But first, let me show you the basic problem that every service provider faces, especially the new ones. We know that it's really hard to crack new client projects. As a service provider, when you reach out to clients, they judge you by the way you present yourself or your website. You should have an amazing portfolio. Your profile should scream quality. You should have customer testimonials to back your work. And after all of this, they always want to take you down on price. That's because you are seen as just a freelancer and not a serious professional or an authority in your work. Now, the only place where you can create a professional-looking portfolio with attached pricing and customer reviews are freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com. But here's the problem. All of these platforms are really crowded with thousands of competitors with better reviews. Guess what? You keep on waiting to receive an order for days, weeks, and even months. Sometimes you receive 1 or 2 orders in a week, but they are hardly enough to pay your bills. This is the number one reason why so many entrepreneurial dreams die on a daily basis, because of the heavily crowded marketplaces which are not able to get you enough orders to run your business. Introducing Marketpresso. Marketpresso allows you to create your own premium services marketplace. You will no longer be dependent on the crowded marketplaces. Create your own professional branded marketplace. Your marketplace will run on your own domain with your custom branding and will create your authority instantly whenever you share the link with anyone. Customers will feel supremely confident in buying from you rather than any normal freelancer, allowing you to charge more, keep more, and generate maximum amount of profits as quickly as possible. You can create a personalized branded marketplace for literally any service, whether it is landing page building, graphic design, video marketing, video creation, content writing, voiceover, copywriting, chatbot creation, online marketing, web development, translation, ebook creation, or literally any service in the world. Simply list down all the services that you have to offer. Our smart system allows you to set your pricing as per your work. You can charge as per time, per hour or per minute or per second, number of words, duration of script, a fixed price, flexible price, based on number of units, or set your own variables. And it's really easy to get started with Marketpresso in just 4 simple steps. Step 1. Simple customizable design to personalize your marketplace. Step 2. Add your product or service details. Step 3. Assign a price to your services. Step 4. Connect payment gateway to start collecting payments. And just like that, your own fully fledged branded marketplace is ready to help you get more service and client orders on a daily basis. Plus, unlike the famous marketplaces where you are literally fighting with thousands of other service providers, you will sell in your marketplace with zero competition. Plus, you can get started selling with 0% fees and keeping all the profits for yourself without thinking of paying the heavy 20% fees that Fiverr and Upwork charges. And another huge benefit is these famous freelancing websites never share the buyer details with you, hence always keeping you dependent on them for the orders. In other words, you are building their business, not your business. With your own marketplace, you will own the buyer's list. I'm sure you've probably heard that money is in the list. This simple thing will keep on bringing in recurring orders for you. With Marketpresso, you will have your own fully branded marketplace with a professional homepage, a professional category layout, all your services listed in one place, an expert-looking project page where you can flaunt your work, your pricing variations listed in an authoritative way, quality checkout page to order your services, Add to cart feature, where customers can add and order additional services. Messaging and texting feature with your clients with real-time notifications. Set badges on offers to highlight attention. Inbuilt checkout system with your connected payment gateway. Testimonial section where you can add testimonials on your own. Integration with your email and SMS service provider. One-click multi-languages translation so you can sell globally. Professional customer login. FAQ section. Proper customer management portal. And so much more. Honestly, these are not even 50% of the features that come with Marketpresso. There is so much more that can be done, and it is already giving you that much required edge in this cutthroat competitive service business. Your newfound authority will allow you to charge higher prices because your customers will take your services more seriously as a dedicated business rather than a simple freelancer. Clearly, Marketpresso will make you more money than anything else on the planet by letting you sell all the services that you have to offer and allowing you to charge higher prices. You might be wondering how you will get customers to your marketplace. You just need to share your marketplace link with business owners. Just because of the serious commitment, higher-level trust, and sheer quality that will reflect because of your own marketplace, you will start bagging more orders. Everyone wants to work with true professionals. Plus, inside the members area, we are providing you with the Getting Clients training that will teach you how to get clients from every nook and corner of the internet. Here is a small gist. Number 1. Be a local market superhero. Local businesses like restaurants, salons, dentists, gyms, etc. cannot do the things that you can do for them. Share the link of your marketplace and ask them to get in touch with you whenever they need your service. Number 2. Blog feature inside Marketpresso with automatic Google indexing. We have added this incredible feature where you can add content related to your service, and it will be indexed on Google automatically. Get huge traffic from Google whenever someone searches for your kind of service. Really cool, right? Number 3. Smart LinkedIn filters, training inside members area. We have added a detailed training inside the members area on how to use the smart LinkedIn filters to reach out to the target clients. Plus, we will also give you the script of what to say to them when you reach out to these high-ticket clients. Pretty cool, right? Next, number 4. We will give you access to our Revenue Rolodex. This gives you the exact strategies to use to get free traffic and grab clients from some of the biggest sites online. Just follow the simple directions, and you are off and running. Thousands of business owners with ready wallets are looking for serious service providers here. You will stand out because of your own marketplace rather than simply being a normal freelancer with their profile on a public marketplace. Number 5. FB Ads training by Forbes-recognized co-founder of Marketpresso. Saurabh Bhatnagar, one of the founders of Marketpresso, is a Forbes-recognized Facebook ads expert. Inside the members area, he will teach you how to bring your marketplace in front of thousands of buyers using Facebook ads. The opportunity here is unlimited. And last, number 6, simply be a middleman and earn profits per order. Get in touch with freelancers on Fiverr or Upwork by simply messaging them. Tell them you will bring orders to them without telling them how. List their services into your marketplace for $400 or $500 each and pay them the nominal amount that they were asking for inside Fiverr. You, being the middleman, will keep 100% profits even without touching the job. And of course, you, being a serious marketplace owner, the orders will keep on increasing in your marketplace. Marketpresso presents you with an incredible opportunity to get more clients, bag more service orders, get more higher value projects, build your authority as a service provider, and charge higher prices for your services. We have just launched Marketpresso, and naturally today our price is the lowest that it will ever be. Plus, your purchase is backed up by our 30 days 100% no questions asked money-back guarantee. If your marketplace doesn't help you get more clients and service projects, simply reach out to us and take your money back, no questions asked. Today, you are getting the amazing opportunity of creating your very own services marketplace at the lowest price ever. Our price is increasing daily, and the second our early bird is over, our price will be doubled, and soon we will switch to monthly membership. Today, you can get unrestricted access at the lowest ever price, and you will never have to pay even a single cent ever again. Grab Marketpresso today at the lowest price ever. This one-time offer will never be available again. Click below to get started creating instant authority and bagging immediate orders from your own marketplace. Introducing Marketpresso, world's first and only marketplace builder.